Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to return 1 if all the elements of a list or array is 1. Okay, so this is why do we need to do this? Okay, because of, many times in complex arrays and functions we use a sequence of ones, and we want to check all of them are 1 or satisfying a particular condition. We return with 1, and it's a set of ones, and you want to check if all of them are 1, then I want to make it as 1, okay, or it is true. Okay, so for that we sometimes people used to put a very complex functions to get this kind of outputs to in a complex formula, but I am showing you a very easy method to how to return 1 when your list has all of the elements are 1. So okay, so I have a list 1 and list 2, all of them are 1. I want to return 1 here. Okay, how to return 1? Okay, I will show you for the first list 1. You put under the full list array. You are using an AND function now, and your argument is the full list 1, and enter what you will get a true. Okay, how to make a true or false into 1 and zeros? It is by applying a double unary operator. You see, this function will return all the elements. It will return, if your elements are ones, it will return 1. If your one of the element is 0 or anything else, it will return 0. Okay, only when it will return, only when your elements all of them are 1, it will return 1. But if it is 10 or anything, it will return 1, because 10 is also considered as true. Okay, only when your one of the element is 0, it will return 0. Okay, if all the if all the elements are 1, it will return 1. Okay, similarly for the list 2, what I will do is equal to, and you see, I will put a list 2 and close the bracket. Then you will get a true. If it is 0, what happens? One of them is 0, then false. If all of them are ones, then you will get a true. Okay, the true or false, how do you change it to 1 and zeros? It's by just applying a double unary operator. Okay, similarly for list 1 and 2, if it is a more than one column array, you want it's a 2 by 2 or 2 by 10 or whatever, how do you get 0 or 1s? Or if it is in a matrix format, how do you get 1 only when all of them are 1? Very simple, equal to, the same way, use the AND function, and collectively get all of them. Now you will get true or false. If all of them are 0 once, you get true. At least one of them is 0, you get false. Okay, so just apply a double unary operator. It will change the true or false to 0 and 1s. So if all the elements are 1, then you will get 1. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you for some kind of calculations when you come across complex functions and formulas. Please subscribe to my channel. It will be an encouragement for me to add more videos on this channel, and God bless you.